in grace.
Boot camp was really nerve-wracking. It was really quite hard for me because I don't remember lyrics very well. I need probably about 3 or more days to learn a song.
I don't think that we've seen the fullest of her potential.
Right. I am a to myself kind of person, and on the inside I'm always jumping for joy, but I don't really show it. I know that a lot of people might not think that I'm really thankful for the opportunity, but I truly am.
It's been really cold here. Are you ready for today? Are you ready to bring the warmth, the fire?
I'm as ready as I can be.
Okay, good luck then.
As I rest against this cold hard wall, will you pass me by? Will you criticize me as I sit and cry? My big dream would be to do music full time and to travel the world doing music. This is really, really important to me. That you